Okay, so here we have this problem, 5x minus 3 into x minus 1 minus x plus 2 times 5 minus x. Now you are asking if you can take this minus sign and change it to a plus sign, but that's not what I would do. You want to work with the brackets first. So this is one set of brackets right here, and then this is another set of brackets here. You want to remove those brackets. You have a minus sign here, and that minus 3 can be multiplied into this, and it can be multiplied into this. So you can have 5x, and you have that minus 3 times a plus x. So that's minus 3 times plus x. That gives you minus 3x. Then you have a minus 3 times a minus 1. So minus times minus gives you plus. So you end up with a plus 3. So you have that minus 3x times a plus x gives you minus 3x. Minus 3 times a minus 1 gives you plus 3. Now you've removed those brackets. Now over here you have another set of brackets. But because these are multiplied by those, it's a lot more difficult. The way to think about this part of the problem is to concentrate on what's inside these two brackets first and ignore the minus sign outside. So you have x plus 2 in brackets, and you have 5 minus x. Cool. So the thing to do here is to remove these brackets and treat this as if there's a plus sign. Well, there is a plus sign here. Cool. The way to do that now is to, let me write it over here again, x plus 2, 5 minus x. Cool. So what you're going to do, that's a plus sign. What you're going to do now is you go like, that will be multiplied by that, and then that multiplies by that. Then this multiplies by that, and then there. So you're going to do all of those calculations inside the box. You have x, this is a positive x, right, times a positive 5, so that becomes 5x, positive 5x. You have a positive x, you know that's a positive, you know that's a positive. Positive x times a minus x, positive times minus gives you minus, and it's x times x, so it becomes x squared. Okay, then you have plus 2 times plus 5, that becomes plus 10. Then you have plus 2 times minus x, plus and minus gives you a minus, so you have minus 2x. Okay, that's a pause. You can look at that. Cool, great. So now you have all of this, right? And it's the same thing as if you had, you can take this bracket and you can consider it. It's the same thing if that was 5x minus x squared plus 10 minus 2x. So you have a minus sign here. Bringing this from up here, you have 5x minus 3x plus 3. So you have this minus sign. Now this minus sign is outside all of this, so you can minus times up plus 5x gives you minus 5x. Minus times this gives you plus x squared. Minus times that gives you minus 10. Minus times minus gives you plus 2x. So this is what you have, 5x minus 3x plus 3. So that's everybody now. And that you know how to pull together. You have 5x minus 3x, and you have another 5 minus 5x here. This 5x times that, this 5x minus that 5x cancels, right? And what else do we have with x? We have minus x plus 2x. So minus 3 plus 2 gives me minus 1x, right? And then we have a plus 3 and a minus 10. So that gives us minus 7. And we have a plus x squared. I double check the work. Minus x 3. Deal with these guys first. X minus x squared plus 10 minus 2x minus 5x plus x squared minus 10 plus 2x. Great. 5x minus 5x cancels. Minus 3x plus 2x gives you minus x. Plus 3 minus 10 gives you minus 7 plus x squared. And you can arrange this so that this variable at the higher power comes first. So you have x squared minus minus 1x minus 7. That would be the simplified answer.